Today I want to present the Sidharth Limited Edition of Oppo F5 phones. The summary of all things. The Oppo F5 is a Chinese smartphone which is the features of 6-inch Full HD Plus display running at resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixel means it has fully HD quality of 1080p. Okay, and the aspect ratio of this camera is 18:9. Okay, and you can see there have a processor which is the MediaTek MT6763T octa-core processor, and it have 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, and also have a phone which is included in 6GB RAM with 64GB RAM. The 4GB RAM is the price of 19,990 rupees, and the 6GB RAM is the price of 24,990 rupees. And the two phones have also 16 megapixel front rear camera and 20 megapixel front camera. Okay, which is fully video calling and selfie export camera mode. Okay, and here's also some Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, GPS and USB connectivity, and here's 256GB तक आप मेमोरी कार्ड जो है सपोर्ट करवा सकते हैं इसमें, मतलब 256GB microSD card supported. This is the 256GB microSD card supported. Okay, thanks for watching my channel and subscribe me and share this video.